In this video, I will show you how to download the Crunchyroll app on your computer or laptop. I will go step by step so you can follow along. Let's get started. First, you're going to open any web browser and search Crunchyroll Microsoft Store. And here, open this website. And here you're going to click download. Here, open the downloads folder and click this file. To install, you're just going to simply click install. This is all you need to do to install the Crunchyroll app on your computer or laptop. If you think this video was helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.